Hello and welcome to your next car. My name's Nakib. I'm just going to give you a walk round video of this lovely BMW 320M Sport 2014, covered just over 80,000 miles. As you can see, the car is in the lovely silver with all the gloss black trimmings. Looks really nice. Really nice complement with the black trimmings. Front splitter Y&C, front grilled Y&C. Alloys have just been freshly refurbished, 19-inch genuine BMW LA style alloys, BMW genuine styling ones. Okay, side decals, Y&C styling, privacy glass, Y&C boot spoiler. Okay, just showing you around the back of the vehicle. Nice big boot in this one. Nice and clean. Side of the vehicle doesn't look as though it's covered 80,000 miles. No dents, no scratches. Coming to the front of the car, this is another tidy one. Very few chips on the front, very few on the bonnet. Doesn't look as though it's covered this mileage. Currently we have over 145 BMWs in stock. Okay, I'll get you to the inside of this one. Back seats are tidy, no scratches, no heavy wear on them. Coming to the driver's side, again, driver's side seat looks nice and tidy. Steering wheel's in good condition. Black Dakota leather. Okay, it does have the folding mirror option, so just press the button there and the mirrors fold. Press it again and they open. Okay, multi-function steering wheel, cruise control. This one does have heated seats, which is always good on them cold days. Service history, next oil service is due in 16,000 miles. Front brakes, 16,000 again. It does have the Bluetooth media, DAB radio. All round car smells nice and fresh. No odours, no big scratches, no big dents. This is going to be priced really well. It's going to be under the 12,000 mark. Can't see it being in stock for a long time. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.